Hi guys. Now many of you know me as a national recording artist, but I want to share a lot of other things with you guys today. I would be remiss not to tell you what is all involved in Gerald Hinton's career, and that is the sponsor, one of the biggest sponsors in my music career, and that sponsor would be GHI. Now we do many things. We start with the landscaping and cleaning, and now we ventured out into doing a lot of other things, restoration, going into your home, beautifying your home, whatever it takes to bring your curb appeal up to the standard that you would want it to be at. Now, many of you felt like that your carpet or your tile or your hardwood has gone too far. Many times we can clean it, or we can restore it, or we can replace it, because we've added a new department for installation, your carpet, your tile, your hardwood, for anything that you need in your home to make it better. That is your biggest investment, and we want to help you make that right. Make sure you go to the site, follow it, follow the specials that we have on there for you. We want to help you, and remember, you are important to us, and we want good things to happen to you to where you're saving your money, your biggest investment. I will talk to you soon. All you got to do is call us, GHI.
Your carpet, your tile, and your hardwood too. GHI will do for you.